National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bourbon County, Cherokee County, Crawford County, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Westphalia to Gaston-Ushlu to near Navisha, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Fort Scott, Baxter Springs, Frontenac, Columbus, Galena, Girard, Arma, Marmingham, Cherokee, Weir, Lowell, Sherman, Mulberry, Scammon, Chicopee, McCune, Franklin, Bronson, and Arcadia. This includes Interstate 44 near mile marker 0. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across portions of southeastern Kansas. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas: Bourbon, Cherokee, and Crawford.